What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the third and final Tesla cleaning video. This one, I want to talk about the glass. So if you guys haven't seen it, watch the outside of the car, inside of the car, and finally the glass video. I'm using invisible glass, and just like last time, I have Motherfunker Senior here with, to help me clean and give you guys some tips and tricks. Alright, so we got some noisy ice cars in the background here.
Okay, so for this cleaning procedure, we purchased a microfiber that has been supposedly designed to do a better job on glass, so it doesn't leave streaks and microfiber residues behind and so on. So let's give this a try. We're just going to do one section at a time, of course, so it doesn't dry out. So you just simply spray it on, just like that. Be generous, won't hurt anybody. And spread this out.
This invisible glass stuff is really good because it leaves no streaks.
It better. It says that on the bottle. So
yeah.
Let's do this side now.
And I'll show you like a before, so I'll give you like a nice pan as that's happening. So you guys can see the glass is pretty dirty. There's some really bad spots over here. Around the edge here, you guys should be able to see this. So anyway, let's go back over here. More loud, noisy ICE vehicles. The microfiber cloth, I know you mentioned that it is made for glass. Do you have more information about it?
It was picked up at a detailing supply shop, and what you need to realize is there are a lot of different types of microfibers. For instance, if you're using one for waxing, you want a thicker, softer pile texture. If you're using the one for interior cleaning, it's got to be slightly rougher, but not very much compared to the wax one, because you want to be able to have a little bit of scrubbing action. This particular one here is specifically made for glass. It's a little bit smoother, but still does a great job of cleaning and removing all streaks.
So as you can see here, like, this looks really good, the sections that he's done. So here's the cloth. You can see it's picked up quite a bit of dirt just from cleaning the top of the car. And what's really cool is this car has so much glass, so in terms of cleaning, this invisible glass can do like a large section of your car, right?
Absolutely. So I think it's time to flip the cloth over. We'll dirty up the other side. We have two cloths because there is a lot of glass, as you just mentioned, so a lot of surface to cover.
In terms of cleaning, so obviously you can do the whole top. You can go inside the car. You can do it from the inside looking up, and then don't forget you can do the mirrors as well.
That's a good point, actually. Even in its closed position, we could just give this a little squirt and a quick wipe with the clean side.
And I opened my door thinking it would open, but I have the auto close because it's in the driveway, so that didn't go as planned, but nonetheless. Okay, so the last tip or trick I want to give you before we end this video is make sure you guys change your cloth as you're doing this, because you don't want to be wiping with a dirty cloth. So when you open your door, the window pops down a little bit, and you can see here, let's see if I can get a better view of it. You can see here there's black marks on the top of the mirror and on the top of the glass, sorry, and that's because when it goes in, it's actually lifting up into the trim, so you get like a little black residue. So make sure you guys open up your doors when you go to clean it, because you want to get all this dirt off as well.
It's good to clean on both sides. Just wrap the microfiber over the top and run your hand all the way back and forth, so you'll catch that grimy line at the top, that blackish line. This here is additional black stuff. Not sure how it got there, but on the glass it's not so bad. If you use your nail, you certainly wouldn't want to do that on your paint surface, but on the glass it's fine. You're not going to really damage it. And there we go, nice clean edge of the window.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed the 3-part series of cleaning a Tesla. If you guys have other tips and tricks, leave a comment down below. Make sure to like the video and do subscribe for the latest and greatest Tesla content. As always, most importantly, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.